Bobby Bass and Tina Treble are best friends. They love to play piano and make music together. Bobby loves to play piano with his left hand. Where is your left hand? Can you make magic glasses? Bobby loves low sounds. Can you find Bobby's low notes with your left hand? Let's play together. 1, 2, ready, go.
Low, 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 hold. Low, 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 hold. Low, 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 hold.
Wow, that was amazing! Tina Treble loves to play piano with her right hand. Where is your right hand? Can you make magic glasses? Tina loves high sounds. Can you find Tina's high notes with your right hand? Let's play together. 1, 2, ready, go.
High, 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 hold, high, holds, high, 2, 3, 4.
That was amazing! Wow! More resources for little musicians at tinytinkles.com.